So in today's video we discuss how to set up Christmas tree in various colors in your computer using Word shortcut. So suppose if you are using a Windows computer, you must open the Microsoft Word, MS Office Word, and you can simply change the color of your Christmas tree from here, green or green. So you can change the color by selecting from here. So in this video we are going to discuss how to create this symbol using a Word shortcut method, a keyboard shortcut method. Okay, for creating this Christmas tree, first you must open the Microsoft Word, MS Office Word document, and after that you must type 1F384. You must type like this, 1F384. Okay, this is the Alt key and this is the S key. You must press these two keys at the same time, then you will get okay. Sorry, I'll show you once again. You must type here 1F384 1F384. After that you must press this Alt key and these two keys at the same time, then you can see that we have created this symbol. For more videos, subscribe.